Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. This is another lash video, and before I get started with doing the lashes, I did decide to add a get ready with me portion so that you all can get ready with me and see how I get ready for my clients. So I'm starting off with doing some hygiene care, and that consists of washing my hands, washing my face, fixing up my hair, and brushing my teeth, of course. As of lately, I have been wearing scrubs for my appointments with my clients, and it's super convenient. I got the scrubs from Walmart. I spent about 20 bucks on the top, 20 bucks on the bottom, and literally the best 40 bucks I have spent, because honestly, sometimes I wake up and I don't really know what I want to wear. I just know that I don't want to look tacky. So the scrubs definitely give it more of a professional feel. And as you see me, I'm just spraying down some body mist. I really don't care for that stem, but it's whatever. So right about here, I'm just lighting my candle that I purchased from Bath and Body Works. This candle is the eucalyptus, and it smells so good. It's like definitely an essential oil scent to it, and I just love it. It's fresh, it's light, it's clean, and it's not a strong scent, overbearing. After I light that, I then go on with the room spray. And I didn't film the room spray, but those room sprays from Bath and Body Works are everything. Now I'm going in with my Lysol, and it's the brand new day scent, and I just spray my bed down because I don't play about germs, okay? And then right about here, I did replace my trash bag because, as you can see, it was extremely full. Okay, y'all, my client just got here. I'm gonna be vlogging today, so I just wanted to let you know.
Your hair grew a lot.
You think so?
Yes.
Really? Yeah, I feel like it's been growing. I always get these. They're like little twist outs.
I need to start doing it. I got drip.
Well, it's kind of like almost the same thing, but not really. You know, she's talking about my twist out. Okay. So at this point, I am washing her eyelashes with my all natural vegan cleanser. If you want to learn how to make the cleanser, I will link that down in the description box below. So definitely visit that description box below, because all the links to everything that I said I will have the links to will be down there. Definitely check that video out if you want to make that cleanser on your own. But yeah, I am cleaning her lashes. It is so very important to clean your client's eyelashes before any service. It doesn't matter. You should want to start off on clean eyelashes. It's just a part of, the process, and it's a part of being clean and sanitary. And you should always enforce your clients to clean their lashes. It doesn't just get clean at the fill-in or the refill service. It should be clean all the time. There should not be a time where your clients do not know to clean their lashes on their own. But yes, I'm cleaning her eyelashes with my cleanser. I'm gently using a lipstick wand. I go in between. Sometimes I'll use my brushes, but I didn't have them clean today. But I'm just going and scrubbing real good, getting into the crevices, and really going off on the eyelid as well. I feel like a lot of people forget to clean the eyelid, because eyelid contains a lot of debris, dirt, oils, all of that. I use a little napkin. I use my water, and I go ahead, rinse all that last shampoo off. That's important. Please rinse that shampoo off. Once I'm done rinsing that shampoo off, I kind of pat dry it a little bit with the napkin, and then I go in with my fan and I dry it a little bit. Okay, after I dry it a little bit, then I'm gonna tape her down. So at this part of the video, I am starting to tape her down. I like to use hydrogel iPads. I will link them down below. The hydrogel in the iPads is very soothing and also relaxing to my clients. I also go in with some tape. This is some medical sensitive tape, y'all. I will link it down in the description box below. Please visit the description box below so that you can get the products and everything. But yes, I use the tape as extra secureness so that those bottom lashes do not peek out. I am going to be trying another type of tape down method, but as of right now, I do the hydrogel eye pads and then the tape on top. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that I'm thoroughly taping things down and really trying to make sure that it's all nice and flat, because when it's nice and flat, it's not irritating to the client and it's easy for me to get in and see the lashes properly. So at this point, I was just kind of taking a couple of pictures. I do like to take pictures before I get started, just so that I can see for myself how they looked before and then do it after. But y'all, this is not a refill. This is typically not considered a refill. This is a full set, definitely a full set. Refills for me would have to be way more lashes than what she came in with, but this is my loyal client. I love her to pieces, but baby, that was not a refill, literally. But you know, yeah. I know you all cannot see that well, but I do have my fan in my hand, and I'm using my fan on its highest speed, and I'm trying to further fluff out her eyelashes and make sure that they are completely dry. Please bear with me as I am trying to find a good angle to show you all my view. And I know you see it. I know you see it. That glue shaker, link in the description box below. That's all I gotta say. Make your life 10 times easier and get that glue shaker. Get the glue shaker because I said so. That's why. Because I said so. At this part of the video, I'm just removing all of the overgrown eyelashes. If you haven't seen my video prior to this one, please go and watch it. That's a important step that you do not want to skip out on. I know refills, we want to go quick, we want to skip over and not do the hard work, but please listen to me. It makes a world of difference when your clients come back, get the refills, and all of the overgrown eyelashes are gone. I know that they can feel them. I know that they get twisted easily and they're able to get in their eyes sometimes, and it's uncomfortable, and sometimes it makes their eyelashes feel kind of heavy and weighed down when there's so many overgrown eyelashes. So please make sure that you do the extra work, lash techs, and go over and beyond and remove what needs to be removed. And as a lash tech, we know we can see what needs to be removed and off of there. So please do what's necessary, and don't take no shortcuts. Boy, do my clients be knocked out. Like, when they're knocked out to the level of how my client was asleep, oh honey, it's so hard to turn their head and tilt it to where I need it to be positioned to. But get into the views, get into the angles, it's everything. I was trying to give y'all angles, give y'all views, and I'm still trying to work around and see what I like. So like I said, bear with me please, not too much. But yes, this is a part of the refill services. Well, child, we said this wasn't a refill. We said this was had to been a full set, but refill for the sake of the video. Yes, I love them. I know someone had commented on my last video and they were asking, like, how do you know the links? How do you know what links to use? Well, when it comes to clients that continuously come back to me, I can kind of tell in my head what I use. I can memorize what links they get, and I even tell them what links they get, and I tell them to remember. But y'all, look, period, get into it, get into it. I added some bottom lashes for my girl because don't play with her. She loves her bottom eyelashes, and yes, it's the fullness, it's the fluffiness. That's what we love. I just Yes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe and thumbs up this video. Love y'all. Bye.